साथियों नमस्कार। इससे पहले कि आप यहाँ से भाग जाएं, मैं आपको खींच करके ही रखना चाहता हूँ और इसके लिए मैंने चालाकी क्या की है, 4 वर्ड्स लाए हैं क्योंकि मुझे आगे बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बात कहना है और ये 4 भाग जाएंगे आप तो मैं इससे पहले मैं 4 शब्द बोल दूं। आर्कीपेलगो, फर्स्ट वर्ड इज आर्कीपेलगो, नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज शैल्वो, स्पेलिंग इस पर लिखा रहेगा, इस ऊपर में ही आप देख लेंगे, शैल्वो। देन इज imbroglio, and the next word is literal। आप कहेंगे literal जानते हैं, नहीं, 2 literal है, आप उस पर में देख लीजिए, literal स्पेल प्रोनाउंसिएशन करीब करीब वही है, literal। जब हम आर्कीपेलगो बोलते हैं, आर्कीपेलगो, कुछ लोग आर्कीपेलगो बोले, प्रोनाउंसिएशन जो है मैंने अभी देखा आर्कीपेलगो टाइप का, आर्कीपेलो क्लस्टर ऑफ आइलैंड जो होता है, एक्सटेंशन ऑफ आइलैंड, जावा का, सुमात्रा का, इंडोनेशिया का, ये क्लस्टर ऑफ आइलैंड्स फैला हुआ जो रहता है उसको आर्कीपेलगो बोलते हैं हम, एक्सटेंशन ऑफ आइलैंड्स या क्लस्टर ऑफ आइलैंड्स जो है। तो आर्कीपेलगो हो गया आपका। शैल्वो, सडन अटैक जो होता है, मान लीजिए ये फिगरेटिव यूज भी होता है, वर्बल भी, कोई ऐसा अटैक कर दिया कि इसके बाद तो तहलका मच गया, कयामत छा गया, तो वो भी हो गया। शैल्वो कहेंगे, SALVO, स्पेलिंग उसी पर लिखा हुआ है ऊपर में, शैल्वो। अब हम बात करते हैं इम्ब्रोलियो। एक्चुअली जब देखेंगे इसको, वर्ड देखेंगे, लेटर जो देखेंगे तो इम्ब्रोग्लियो लगता है, इम्ब्रोग्लियो, लेकिन जी साइलेंट है यहाँ, इम्ब्रोलियो, जी का उच्चारण ही नहीं है, साइलेंट है, इम्ब्रोलियो। फिर से स्पेलिंग ऊपर में है, आप देख लेंगे। तो इम्ब्रोलियो क्या हुआ, कॉम्प्लिकेशन हो गया, मेस, डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन को इम्ब्रोलियो बोलते हैं हम आपको, है ना, थोड़ा एम्बैरेसिंग भी हो सकता है। तो कॉम्प्लिकेशन जो होता है, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड जो कंडीशन होता है, मेस जो हुआ उसको हम बोलेंगे इम्ब्रोलियो। शैल्वो जो हो गया, सडन अटैक हो गया आपका। देन हम बात करें लिटरल का, तो एक तो लिटरल वर्ड फॉर वर्ड होता है, दैट यू नो बेटर, लिटरल, LITRAL जो होता है लिटरल। दूसरा है लिटरल, LITTORAL। ओके, ये जो लिटरल होता है, समुद्र के किनारे किनारे जो जगह होते हैं, यो सी शोर है ना, यानी साइड लाइन ऑफ द सी जो हो गया, वो जो किनारे वाला जगह होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं लिटरल, LITTORAL, लिटरल। दोस्तों आप कहेंगे कि आप क्या शेयर करना चाहते थे, तो देखिए मेरा ये हमेशा ये रहा है कि कोई आपको आगे नहीं बढ़ा सकता बहुत दूर तक, मतलब एक जॉब प्राप्त करना दूरी नहीं है जीवन में कि yes you have achieved some job or some position then you should be satisfied, no, as a human being, because you are just think of yourself as an organism, okay, as a identity particle, as a particle of this universe। देखेंगे तो ऐसा सोचने से क्या होगा कि see when you think of yourself like I am Rakesh, Mahesh, Mukesh, so if you think like that, so you limit yourself. I would like you not to limit yourself. And as said, it's our duty to think of getting more and more, to maximize, how to maximize your potential, and how to, all things, come through, visualization, through dreaming. The more you dream, the more you visualize, the more you talk to yourself, the more you feel about life, the more you're pondering, you are delving deep into the meaning of life, automatically you start getting learning more and more there. So the main thing is that, as said by some great persons, try to always improve yourself and be the best version of your life, of yourself. And of course you must have a purpose. If you don't have a purpose, it means we are living a life as animals are living. So there won't be much difference between animals and us. So we must have a better purpose. Purpose means not, it should be, in the starting it should be personal advancement, okay, whether it's academically, emotionally, psychologically, you can say different ways, okay. But yeah, it's our duty, dharma, to improve ourselves, keep improving ourselves. See, this is, you are limitless. God has given you limitless power. The thing is that how you are testing yourself. And it's very, really mesmerizing thing, okay. It fascinates always, okay, me, that we have got immense, tremendous power within. The problem is that most of the people, okay, from within, okay, we are not trying to maximize your potential. We are not trying to achieve the kind of a strength that God has given us. Actually, we are limitless, having limitless power. So what I want to say, actually, the core point where I want to drag myself to make you understand something beautiful, which will drive you towards the maximum, getting the maximum potential of your life. That is, my friend. You must have a better routine, okay, and you must have a dream, and after that, discipline. Initially, you will have to bring discipline, and the best thing is that mesmerizing, I think, which fascinates always. You have an opportunity. We all have, opportunity to test ourselves. What capacity, what this body, actually, this, a particle of this universe can do and is capable of doing. So what you are capable of doing, you won't be able to know. And if you lament in later phase of your life, okay, in regret, if you are in regret, I could have done better, but I could not. So that kind of, if you if you are having regret in later phase of your life, so it will, really hurt you, particularly on that time. So I wish all of the guys, all of us, to throw our complete energy to keep improving ourselves, to keep maximizing our energy, and nothing is impossible. See, I'm still learning, trying to learn so many things. Still, after getting job, I'm well placed. Still, after getting job, I'm trying to learn on a daily basis. Life is meant for learning, yeah. Life is meant for, bringing improvement, okay. Nobody can be perfectly positioned or perfectly, having anything, I think, in his life. So it's all about, bringing better and better version, and being better and better. So you are a being, and the quality of your being depends totally is in your hand. It is totally is in your hand and within your capacity, I think. So, my friends, very desperately, I'm trying to convey, however, because, all are in a hurry. People are in a hurry to go, if I'm speaking a very pure like to listen, because, see, they are in a hurry to achieve something. They are totally messed up. They are totally confused. They are not having time, less time, and thinking so many things. Thousands of thoughts are going, on a per day basis within brain, which is mostly mostly are, baseless, of course, useless, I think. So it's all about how organized you are, and whether you are organizing yourself to maximize. So organizing your thoughts and your mental is very necessary, because if you're not organized, you will not have, you will not be getting the maximum potential, not be reaching to the maximum capacity of your being, of your existence. Okay, so it's all about what should we do. We have to focus. What I'm telling, I'm trying to touch the, just a slightly. I want to touch the core point and of our existence. Okay, because so deeper, I totally feel, totally engrossed, and I'll be trying to touch better and better, level, but I'm just trying to bring your attention there. Okay, my friends, never waste your time. Your time is life. You can achieve anything, but how passionate you are, how greedy, positive, take it in positive sense, how greedy to have something beautiful for the good cause, okay, and for this nation, to the society, for your family, for your friends. It's really a matter of concern, and we all have to think, because we have, certain period of, limited time, limited days and years. Once days passed, okay, it will be very, of course, painful for all of us to think about back, okay. So, dear friends, I would be making such type of video, because see, this is just the starting. I feel like sharing so many things, and I want to create something like within your brain, within your thought process, that I have a little bit slight, you might be feeling, but I'm not streamlined, I'm not organized up to that level, so I can bring the kind of effect which I want to bring for all of you.